Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to do the French braid for embroidered hair. To cover up the bald middle section, it's important to let some of the threads outside of the braids. I like to use half of the threads for this. You can also cover the section with embroidery stitches like satin stitch. Braiding hair at this scale is quite a challenge. I like to prepare the different strands beforehand. This way I can just grab each strand when I need it and I don't have to worry about tangling threads so much. I'm using a blunt tapestry needle to separate threads. You can use a toothpick or a knitting needle too. You can see here that I'm laying the outer threads to the outside and let the other half point inwards. This process takes a while, but I find it much easier than braiding without preparation. On each side there should be an equal amount of strands, and each strand should have about the same amount of threads in it. Now on to the braiding. Hold the middle strand in your left hand, then lay the first strand of the left side over it. Try to hold it tight and firmly, or the braid will become loose and wobbly later. Then pick up the first streak of the right side and lay it over the strand that came from the left side. Now comes the part that is different from regular braiding. When you lay the next strand over the previous one on the left side, pick up the second strand on the left side and incorporate it into the working strand. Repeat this procedure on each side. Try to braid very closely to the fabric or the braid will rise and not lay on the fabric very well later. If you want to have a French braid that includes all of the hair, braid a little further than I did here, then divide the remaining loose threads and braid it in. After that, braid a normal braid. Tie the braid off with a single thread. Wrap it around the braid twice and make 2 firm knots. To blend in the threads a little bit better, comb carefully through it.